Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking program. We're not going to talk about any cooking. We're going to talk about Jamaican Independent Day. What is Jamaican Independent Day? Is the second of next month, which is August. And a lot of people have to come out and celebrate Jamaican Independent Day. This is one of the best time of the year, is in Jamaican Independent Day. Basically, it's going to be probably 54 or 55 years of Independent Day. Hopefully, a lot of people will be having a wonderful time. Come out and celebrate and have a joy and a wonderful time. Basically, as you can see, the whole history of Jamaica, we're gonna put a few things of history of Jamaica through the video. Basically, you will see what happened when they captured Jamaica 54 years ago. So guys, it's just beautiful, really nice, and as I said, the second and next month is Jamaican Independent Day. Hopefully, guys will have a marvelous time. Enjoy yourself, eat a lot of food, and remember the recipe for the jerk pork is there, and we have a lot more recipes coming up for jerk chicken. A lot different kind of ideas we can share for Jamaican Independent Day when everyone gonna come out and celebrating. You know what I mean? We all are one nation, one people, one love, and we love Jamaican, and that's where we stand. Jamaican Independent Day, the 2nd of August. And this one is from Chef Ricardo and the team.